quick cornmeal snack. A little vanilla, grated nutmeg, brown sugar, salt to taste, raisin, bag milk, and butter. This is some sweet turn cornmeal with milk, sweetened to taste with brown sugar, raisin, piece of butter, and now adding in the cornmeal. Quick raisin turn cornmeal. Your whole family will enjoy. Just a little bit more milk to keep it nice and moist. For it to stay on the stove and steam.
Okay. Steam.
Now it's gonna stay and steam. It's almost finished. Just to let it steam, add some water. Still steaming. Cornmeal is finished. Look at this, guys. I know you will enjoy this. Your whole family will enjoy this little quick, delicious snack. This snack was made by my mom. Guys, she does not measure anything. So just as soon as the milk is about to boil, that's when she add the cornmeal. So that's it, guys. Wow, delicious turn cornmeal.